This 2026 Airstream Bambi 22FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in San Diego, California, 92069 and is offered for sale by Airstream of San Diego. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.